Let's discuss about different types of CNC machines. The first being point-to-point CNC machine. These types of CNC machines are based on motion. They are also known as continuous path CNC machines. In this system, the tool and workpiece are held at a particular location, while the tool does the operation like drilling, for instance. After the completion of the operation, the tool or the workpiece is moved to the next position of operation. The cycle is repeated until all the operations are completed. In this system, the feed rate and the speed of cutting tool or workpiece has no effect on machining process, unlike traditional machining methods. The dimensional information to be given to the machine are a series of positions of the slides of the tool or workpiece. So basically, a starting point and the next point is required for the process. Now for instance, if 4 holes are to be made, the program would simply specify 4 points in between the starting and next point, like 1, 2, 3 and 4 as shown in the figure, and the machine tool will perform the requisite drilling operation. The servo system moves the slides to the position and no slide movements occurs until the cutter has retracted back. The machine using the system are drilling, boring and tapping machines. In this system, while the cutting operation is in progress, the slides of tool or workpiece move continuously to generate angular surfaces, 2D curves or 3D contours. Milling machine adopt this system pretty well.